I almost made $14,000 last month. I worked my tail off, but let's talk about how it happened. In September, the two highest forms of income that both made me $3,500 each were brand partnerships and social media management. For brand partnerships, that $3,500 was with one brand, which was great. And then social media management, I have two different clients that I work with, and I've worked with for multiple months at this point, and the two of them combined is $3,500. Second to that, Social Suite made me about $3,200, $3,300 this month. Social Suite is my membership program. It is a recurring membership that people get charged for every month. So it's variable because some people do join in, some people cancel. Sometimes it's around $3,500. This month it was around $3,300. Next up, I made $2,900 this past month with Rover. And I say Rover, but I don't exclusively work through the app. Like I have a lot of clients who just book me and pay me through Venmo, but that was a lot of dog sitting, a lot of house sitting, dog walks, all of the things. But it's cool because a lot of the times I'll just bring my computer and do all my other jobs work while I'm making money through that job as well. I made about $475 with my digital products and physical products because this was actually selling a lot of planners through TikTok Shop. In one-on-one coaching this last month in September was super slow for me, which is fine because I was busy doing all of the other things. But altogether, that brought us to almost $14,000, which was a great month for me. Obviously, about a third of this goes right into savings because I'm saving for taxes. This is not what I'm putting in my pocket by any means. Plus, to run my social media management, my membership, and just my regular content in general with brand partnerships, that cost me probably somewhere around $500 in expenses every month. This is also a clear example that you cannot live on brand partnerships alone if you're a content creator. $3,500 after taking out taxes and expenses would not have paid my bills and let me do fun things for that month.